Mom, what are you cooking? It smells so good.
Honey, what are you talking about?
You're cooking downstairs, aren't you?
Luna, lock your door right now.
Why?
Because I'm not cooking. I'm at work.
What? Then who's downstairs?
That's not important right now. I'm on my way home. If she tries talking to you, don't respond.
She's coming upstairs. I can hear her footsteps.
I'm 3 minutes away. Hold on. Oh, and by the way, if you hear any humming of some sort, I want you to cover your ears.
What? Why?
Just listen to me, Luna. This isn't the time.
Oh my God, she's banging on the door. Mom, she sounds exactly like you. But
Luna, don't listen to her. She's dangerous.
she just slid a note under the door. The corner of the paper is covered in blood, and there's some sort of inverted pentagram on the front.
Luna, let go of that paper. Luna, answer me.
Hey, Evelyn.
Where's Luna? I swear if you did anything to her...
Don't worry about her. If you answer this question correctly, she can live. What has 5 points, shaped like a star, and has a goat head in the middle?
Damn you.
Wrong answer.
You can now check part 2 by pressing share then more.